everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you about 5 easy piano chords to learn to play tons of songs easily. That's right, if you know these 5 easy piano chords, you can learn tons of songs and play tons of songs really easily because they are used so frequently. Okay, 4 of them are used unbelievably frequently, and the 5th one is used somewhat frequently. And there are some other ones that are used frequently as well, but these are probably the top 5 chords that are used in songs. And you can even make your own songs with these chords. So let's get right into the video. Okay, we're going to start off at C. C is going to be right here. If you look at where it shows these 2 upper notes, you're going to look to the bottom left of this left one right here. That's going to be your C. There's different ones on the piano in different octaves, right? You can do any of these chords in any octave, but make sure you get your thumb on C. Okay, we're going to just move up along the scale. So the first one is going to be C major, which is going to be your C, E, G. You're basically just skipping a note. C, skip one, E, skip one, G. Just like that. That's your C major. First chord. Easy, just like that, okay? Next, you're going to move up 1 note to D. This is your D minor. D, F, A. Skip 1. D, F, A. D minor. Really easy. Really easily done. Really easy to do and really easily done. I know I just said the same thing twice, but let's continue. The next one, you're going to move up to E, okay? Now this is E major, E, G sharp, which is this middle upper note over here, B. Okay? Next, move your thumb up 1, F major, F, A, C. Skip 1. F, skip 1, A, skip 1, C. Perfect. Next, move your thumb up 1, G major, G, skip 1, B, skip 1, D. So that's it, okay? Very simple. These are the 5 chords again. C major. Okay? D minor. E major. F major. G major. That easy. You want to bring them together? You just keep going up. Really easy. You want to make your own song or make it sound better? No problem. You can sort of go back and forth, roll the notes, as I like to call it, like this. That's it. 5 easy piano chords to learn to play tons of songs easily, and that's literally it. If you can learn those 5 chords, you can play lots, or you can at least sound like you can play lots. It's that simple. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.